Hi everybody, so I have a bunch of takes of me walking down a hallway, the longest hallway ever. It's kind of like the Shining hallway almost, in this hotel, and I have a bunch of takes of it, as you can see over here. What I wanted to do is I wanted to be able to take the end of the hallway, the center, the very, very end of the hallway, and anchor that in the center of the picture, and then have the frame kind of move around it. So what I mean by that is this. I did an After Effects test in which I anchored the end of the hallway. Basically, I had to go in and paint the end and anchor it in every frame. And it was very labor intensive. It was kind of a pain in the ass, and it's certainly not live. So I wanted to do that in processing. So I was using Dano's single best pixel example for that. What happens here is you start the patch. You start the patch over to select a color, selected, and then here's the original footage. I'll let you watch it for just a second. You can see the blue is what I'm going to anchor, and here's the anchor. So it's cool. It kind of gives it this augmented reality feel. This again was just taken off of my phone. It's very jittery, as you can see, and that's probably because there's more than one single best pixel, and they're all kind of vying for attention. And it's too bad it's so jittery. Because as the camera moves kind of to the right and to the left, you can see there's like this kind of cool geometry shift with the door, and it gives it this 3D feel. I would like to track all of that blue mass and get the centroid and use the centroid as the anchor better. But it pretty much works. The concept is there. Thank you.